All right, next thing. All right, next thing.
Take them to the chorus. Come here, girl.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Come to the back.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
VIP.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Drinks on me.
Go ahead,
Let me
be
see
gone
what
with
you're
it.
twerking with.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Look at those hips.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
What's up, WDHATTV? Today I got something real special for y'all. So today is Mother's Day. You feel me? Today we're gonna be making a creme brulee. All right, kind of easy to do. Just follow along with me, and I'll get you through this. All right, so the things you're gonna need some heavy cream, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, and uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, ramekins. All right, so first thing you want to do, you want a medium-sized pot. You're gonna need a pot about yay big. Put that right on the burner. You want to take 4 cups of heavy cream, put it inside of the pan. All right, now that you have your 4 cups of heavy cream in here, next you want to add a vanilla extract. All right, so first thing you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have a little measuring thing here, but you know, if you don't got one, just put a little bit on some spoon and then dump it in. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to heat this up. You only want to get it to where it's hot, but you don't want it to where it's boiling, because that'll mess it up. All right, next thing you want to do, you want to grab 6 eggs and you want to whisk them in a bowl. I say use one about this size or like a little bit smaller because you want enough room to whip it up. Alright, so you want to mix half a cup of sugar in with the eggs that you beat. Okay, so next thing you want to do, you want to take the hot cream. You want to pour a little bit into the egg mixture, not all of it, or else the eggs will cook. Alright, so next you're gonna need a roasting pan enough to fit those 6 ramekins. Then you want to get some water. You want it to be hot, but again not boiling. Because then you're gonna put it inside of here and put your ramekins in here. Alright, now that the ramekins are all filled up, we gotta preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And mine is already preheated, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in there for 45 minutes. Alright, so the next thing you wanna do, after it's done cooking, you feel me? You wanna lay it out, and then you wanna take each one out of it and let it come to room temperature. Alright, now the next thing you wanna do, after they come to room temperature, cover them with some sort of plastic and then put them in the refrigerator for like about anywhere from like an hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. Alright, so now that we got our creme brulees chilled, now that we got them out, we want to set them out in the open for 30 minutes and let it kind of like chill off, give it off some good vibes, you feel me? And you want to have a spoon and some sugar ready. What you want to do is, after those 30 minutes of chilling her up, you want to take the spoon, right? Get some of that sugar on, and sprinkle it over the creme brulee. Alright, so next thing you want to do, you want to take these and you want to put them in the oven. You want to broil them and just keep an eye on them. There's no set time, just like when it starts to get like a brownish, like an amber color, then you want to take them out. It's not burned. That's actually the color you want. All right, there is an alternative way you can do this though if you don't want to put it in the boiler, and I'm about to show you guys that right now. All right, so for this next method, you want to get just some sugar, same thing. Get yourself a frying pan, a saute pan actually. What you want to do? Turn this heat on low. Keep it on low heat until the sugar completely dissolves. All right, now that the caramel is melted, you want to grab this and pour it over. Like I'm talking about, people are sitting here waiting on me to say that I don't like it, just so they can eat it. Like that's crazy, bro. I don't really like it. It's not for me. All right, y'all. That's how y'all make a creme brulee. Y'all was cooking it with me. It actually turned out pretty good. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. And WDHA TV, we are out. Oh my God, bro. All right. How do I want to do this? I already know you're still recording, but how do I want to do this?